This is Alard item Y5332. It is a Meyer vibrating shaker, also known as a vibrating dewatering shaker. I'll show you the details of that in a minute. It has slat arms. It's all stainless steel. It is really in like new condition, as I think you'll see as we walk around here, showing you how nice it is. It is a Meyer Model VFIISDC36. It is 36 inches wide and 78 inches long. It has two 24-inch long wedgewire screens with quick release hooks so that you can swap those out as you need them. It has a dimpled surface at both the infeed and at the discharge. Non-stick, or stick resistant, I should say. I mean, it's a really nice construction. It has a full length bottom pan, but look at how thick the stainless steel is here. You can see the bottom catch and drain pan, which goes from one end to the other, full length. And it has two of these nice eccentric drives and a heavy-duty tubular stainless steel frame. We're going to fire these two 3/4 horsepower vibrating eccentrics up, and
exactly like 1/3.
Oh, they are
0.34.
0.34. Okay. All right, there's 1/3 horsepower vibrating drives, and show you what this thing has shaken. And it is nice, smooth, and clean. So if you have any questions about how this is set up 460, 480 volts per the sticker there, give us a call at 315-589-4511. At Alard Equipment Company, we can answer your questions about your particular industrial food processing application. And we have a large inventory of other equipment in stock. If this isn't quite the right size or shape, we probably have something that is. So there it is, Alard item Y5332, in stock at Alard Equipment Company. An excellent, really like new, operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York.